Okay, last minute, everything. What's going on? Last minute, got all the plates turned up. Yeah, the lights on. Salt and pepper shakers. Got all everything set up before everyone come in. All the lights up in the air. Done by yours truly. Yours truly. There's the top.
The drinks, that's already made. The drinks, yeah. Okay, that's the thing with the drinks. The glasses are so big, we only got a certain amount of things. So my wife got ice. So right before it's time to eat, we're gonna have to get the cups. Just
That
fill them all
looks
up
really
with
good
ice.
up there.
And then
You
we're
just
gonna
did
get some
one?
pictures. We just kind of go around.
You didn't have to double it up?
Water or tea. And then the remaining
What you put
water
behind
we
it?
keep up here. So it's really themselves.
I just brung them in together.
Okay, we're gonna have to. It's like a little gap right there.
They're gonna close it. They still back there working, see? That's where all this, everything. Everything. Head table. Always prayer. Head table. All the dishes turned over.
Oh, no, I said. Enough out here.
Yeah, that's what
When
somebody
he's going to church, I'm gonna have him going to church. I'm putting him in church.
Okay, I'm making sure that ain't nobody waiting.
Right in here. Plates are turned over at the head table.
I don't have my glasses.
Yes, that's the head table here.
Salt and pepper. This the salt and pepper shake.
Got candle lights here.
Extra stuff. Dang.
Yes, extra. I'm taking to the back.
Oh, okay.
I made
I
too
gotta
many.
get my shoes on. And I don't have my glasses.
What y'all got? Door prizes?
Yeah, we got door prize.
Is my ticket in there? Oh, look at my ticket and Judith's ticket.
You went. Oh, let me get your you got the ticket.
Yep, I got the ticket right here. Mine's and Judith's. This is everything. The lights. All the way across here. Put these lights across here.
You said the rolls are out here already?
Yes, right behind the thing here. You can take them, put them over the front, reach over, put them in, you can come behind here if you want.
I think that candle went out.
Yeah. What's the next thing? We just gotta keep getting these sternum. Oh, now that the sternums are on, bring 2 more chickens for right here, please.